Similarly, if tan is there, so we can add 1 upon cot. Okay, and if tan is there, we can also write sin theta upon cos theta. If cot is there, we can write cos theta upon sin theta. Now this we are going to use it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now similarly, second question is that write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. All other means what? We have to find out the value of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta and cot theta in terms of sec theta. मीन सबकी वैल्यूज में sec theta आने चाहिए होंगे. Okay. So we have to find out here sin A, cos A, cosec A, sec A, that is given, right? So sec A we don't want to find. We have to find out tan A, and here we have to find out cot A. So these are the other trigonometric ratios regarding angle A. Okay. Now we want to find out all the terms in sec A. So first we are finding the sin A. Simple is cos because opposite of cos is sec theta. So first we are finding the cos A. So cos A is equal to what? 1 upon sec theta. Right? So
Yes,
cos A is equal to 1 upon sec theta. So we get sec A. So first we have find it out. इसका हो गया, right? We have find out the cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A. Now we will find out the sin theta. Now sin A is equal to what? How we can find out the sin A?
1 upon cosec.
हाँ 1 upon cosec, but we don't want cosec. हमें तो sec तक जाना है ना. So think something. How can we get the cos now? We have one identity. देखो sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. That is identity is there, right? So in that, if we want to remove this and if we want this, then what we can do? We can do that sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square A. And if we are getting 1 cos, we will get the sec. Right? So instead of this now sin theta, what can we write now? Sin A will become under root of 1 minus cos square A. Getting this one? Again I am repeating. Chalo. Sin A we have to find it out. But we don't want cos, cosec we don't want, right? So we are not using that. We want to convert it into the sec theta. अगर sec theta चाहिए तो हमें cos में convert करना पड़ेगा. So cos हमें कैसे मिलेगा? So by these identities, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. To remove this or to making it as a question, so what we are getting? Sin square A is equal to 1 plus cos square A. Right? Now, here square is there, but we don't want square here. So what we are doing? We are squaring both the sides. So under we are taking the under root, right? So here become under root of sin square A is equal to sin A. Here we cannot take out the under root. So we have to put the under root side and we are writing 1 minus cos square A. Getting this much, everyone? आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. So now instead of what sin A, now we are writing under root of 1 minus cos square A. Okay, this all you have to write in a bracket. In bracket write down this identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay, in a bracket you just write it down. So now in sin A we will write under root of 1 minus cos square A. Now, how to remove this now? Cos square A by putting 1 upon sec square. So we can write it under root of 1 minus cos square A is z. So we are putting as a 1 upon sec square A because here we have square, right? So we are putting a square here. 1 upon sec square A. Anyone has done ahead? Take the LCM over here. Because in the under of this heads we take the LCM. So LCM will be the sec square A. Here nothing is there means 1 is there. So what will become sec square A minus 1. Now taking out the square root. So upper side we cannot take out the square root. So we are writing as a sec square A minus 1. And here we can take out the square root of sec square A. So we are writing just sec A only. Clear? So we can write that sin A is equal to under root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A in terms of sec A. Okay? Understood everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we can write? Now next opposite of sin we will take. This we have done right. Now we are going to find it out cosec A. So how we will find out the cosec A now? 1 upon sin A करके कर लेंगे हम. So now next is cosec A is equal to what? 1 upon sin A. Why? We have taken the sin A because we found the value of sin A is equal to this one. You will just put the reciprocal of this term and you will get the cosec A. So what will be the answer? So answer will become sec A upon under root of sec square A minus 1. Just reciprocal of sin A, you will get the cosec A. Getting everybody? आ रहे समझ में? हीरल, कृतिका, काव्यांजलि.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we have to find it out? We have just left with the sine theta, tan theta and cot theta, right? I am erasing this one, this much part only, because tan theta is equal to what? As we know that tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta, right or not? So here we are putting tan A is equal to sine A upon cos A. So what is the value of sine A? The value of sine A over here we got it. So what is sine A? Sine A is equal to under root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A into what is the value of cos A? The value of cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A. So we are writing into 1 upon sec A. So this sec A will go upper side in the multiplication, right? So I am erasing from here and writing here as a multiplication sec A. Okay. Now simplify. So what will become? This sec A and this sec A will be cancelled out and you will get tan A is equal to under root of sec square A minus 1. Getting this much?
Yes, ma'am.
I समझ में. Now how will you find out the cot A? So cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Yes or no? So what is the value of tan
Yes,
A?
ma'am.
So tan A की value क्या है now? 1 upon under root of sec square A minus 1. Right? Like this way we can complete it. Understood everybody? Complete it. Now take a screenshot. And example 12 is there. That is same as this one. Try to solve this. Okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is become your homework. Example 12. And take a screenshot if you want to take.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye.